What's up team, fullest, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make coconut milk. And I love coconut milk. I make it sometimes to make smoothies, to drink for the kids. So today I want to come and show you guys how to make coconut milk. As you guys can see, I've already peeled my coconut. I love coconut water, so I do buy a bunch of coconuts just to drink the water, and I do use the coconut itself to make other things, to example like making coconut oil, or sometimes I do make milk out of the coconut because I don't have anything else to do with it. I just buy it just to drink the water. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut my coconut into pieces, because like that it is very easy to blend when the coconut is cut. As you guys can see, I'm going to use this big blender because the coconut is a little bit too much, so I want to use something big I can go one. So I'm just gonna cut everything. If you want, you can, I feel like when you cut it into pieces, it's more easy to blend. I'm just going to cut everything into pieces, and then I'm just going to put everything into the pan. That is what I'm about to do. Sometimes if you want, for example, you can leave the milk like that on its own for you to drink, or if you want, you can add I don't know what's the name of that thing there, I forgot the name in English, but that sweetening, we call it tamaro. If you're Sierra Leonean, I think tamaro, that's how we call it. It's very sweet. It's a natural sweeter. So if you want, you can add that one to make it a little bit more sweeter. Also, I do the same recipe when I'm making almond milk or rice milk. I also add tamaro. It's because it's natural sweetening. You don't need to add sugar into it. Just tamaro is going to make the taste very sweet and delicious, and I really like it. So after I'm just gonna keep on cutting. I'm gonna put the water. I don't want like a lot of water. I want my coconut milk to be a little bit thick and rich. I want to have like a rich coconut milk. So I'm just gonna cut everything. Tell me what kind of milk do you guys like? Like I love I do buy milk in the store, okay, but sometimes I do like to make my own things at home. I do make rice milk, I do make almond milk, I make coconut milk, and what else do I make? Yeah, I think those are the three milk that I normally make at home: almond, rice, and coconut. And sometimes I also do make like some, when you buy those mixed nuts in the store, like you buy the nuts, they are mixed. I do also sometimes kind of soak everything together, and I do blend that, and I do make milk out of it. Like I got that, I used to buy that one in the Aldi. If you live in Holland, they have this mixed nut. It's more like biologisch. It's in the organic part, and I do like buy that one, soak it, and then blend it with water, and then I do extract the water out of it, the milk out of it, and that one is very good. And I used to use that to make smoothies, and it used to taste delicious. So now I'm just gonna blend the coconut. You guys can see I'm gonna add the rest of the coconut. I'm not gonna add a lot of water because I really want my coconut to be rich and thick, so that when I make my smoothies, I can use that coconut to make smoothies. And these are organic coconut. I picked this one from the organic store, and it's a little bit expensive, but it's just good. The water is delicious. When you buy a coconut from the organic store and you drink the water, oh my god, you feel like you are in the Caribbean. You feel like you're in the beach somewhere having some good time. The water is very delicious, and that's the reason why I normally buy coconut, just to drink the water, because I love coconut water. I sometimes make ice from it. I do different things with coconut water, but I just love drinking it. So we're just gonna keep on blending, make sure everything blends very well. I'm gonna add more water because you guys can see the coconut is too much, but I'm not gonna add like a lot of water, just the water that's in the cup. That is what I'm going to add, and I'm just going to blend everything very smoothly. Make sure everything is blend. blend. If you guys like my videos, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload videos. And if you guys like beauty videos, I do also bring out beauty videos on my beauty channel. It's Ami Fullest Beauty, and I also do hair stuff. Like if you guys want to see DIY hair product or DIY hair mask, I do also have that on my main channel, which is Amefolest. I know, I know, like I have different channel. I just didn't want to put every content in one channel, because sometimes they are not the same. Like the way I will film a cooking video, you guys will see sometimes the kitchen will be a little bit messy, and I don't want to put that together with a beauty video. And also when it comes to hair, sometimes the hair is all over the place, and I just didn't want to just make everything in one file. So I feel like it's better to just have a separate channel for everything, and so that I can do everything that I love. Because yeah, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. If you want, you can add this one into the blender so that the coconut is more sweeter. But I like it like that because when I make smoothie, I just love the normal coconut milk. I don't want any sweetening into it, because using pineapple and banana and avocado, it will definitely change the taste of the coconut milk. So I didn't want to add any sweetening. But like, yeah, what I was trying to say is, like, when I do cooking videos is different, and I'm gonna put the coconut water in there, and then coconut milk, and I'm just gonna use that to drain everything out. You guys can see that's a lot of coconut. But like, yeah, what I was saying is, like, I don't like to have because on my I'm a fullest live vlog. I do sometimes show you guys random stuff that I'm doing around the house, maybe like cleaning, or just showing you my garden, my kit, and all that. And I just didn't want to have all of that in one channel. So that's why I create different channel for different purpose. So like when I want to just be me, just be Amy, and just do my cooking and just sit down and talk and don't worry about other people be judging me. And I feel like Amy Fullest life blog that's the perfect thing. That's the perfect channel, because that is just showing you guys how I cook and how I do things. And when it comes to me being glam and beauty and fashion and girly, I feel like Amy Fullest beauty is that one. When it comes to all the DIY, the natural hair, the hair growth journey, and relaxing my hair, cutting my hair again, relaxing my hair, because I cut my hair multiple times now, and I feel like Ami Fullest that's the perfect channel. So that's the reason why I have multiple channels. But yeah, I'm just gonna try to squeeze all the water out. So it got to a time that I'm going to use my hand. I'm going to use my hand. As you guys can see, the coconut milk. Ooh, the milk is looking good. It's a lot. It's a lot. I'm just gonna squeeze. I didn't want to use my hand. I swore I didn't want to use my hand. So I didn't want to use my hand. I'm just gonna put the rest of the coconut milk. Oh, the milk is so... It's a lot of milk. That's a lot of milk. And what you can do also, you don't need to throw away the coconut, the remaining. You don't need to throw it away. What I like to do with the remaining is that I like to use it to bake. So this few days I have been baking a lot with the kids, and my daughter's birthday was coming, so I use the coconuts, the remaining, to put into the cake, so that the coconut has this cake flavor. So now I'm just gonna use my hand, because you need to really squeeze it to get all the water out, to get everything out like that. And it tastes really delicious. This coconut is a very sweet coconut. It tastes really delicious, and I really like the way it tastes. And I use this, I think I only use this coconut milk to make smoothies, because these few days I have been drinking a lot of smoothies, and because I wanted to add a little bit of weight. I wasn't feeling well, so I I didn't have appetite to eat, so I lose a couple of weights. So smoothies and taking my macaroons kind of sometimes help me to gain weight. So I use the coconut milk to make a lot of smoothies, and that was very, very delicious. It tastes really, really nice. I really enjoy drinking my coconut water. But after I'm done with this, I'm also going to shifter it once more again, because I didn't want anything underneath the coconut. I don't really want all those thing on that. I just want the pure milk. So you guys can see how the coconut has already starts, the oil has already started gathering underneath. You can also use that to make coconut oil, but this was not the purpose for that. I'll definitely come with a video showing you guys how I make coconut oil, but for now this is pure on the milk. So this cloth I'm going to use is a clean cloth. It has never been used. I've washed it, so I'm just going to use that to drain all the coconut milk, you guys, so that the milk will be very, very smooth. It wouldn't have any of those crazy taste on there, just like those really resting on it. I just didn't like it. So you guys can see I'm just gonna squeeze the milk out. You guys can see how the milk is. It's very delicious. It's really healthy. Coconut milk, coconut water is very, very healthy, and it's so easy to make. There are no crazy thing, there's no crazy chemical in it. I try as much to make my own natural stuff. You guys see, like all of that. When you kind of shift it twice, this is what you get. So now I'm going to pour my coconut milk into this container, and I really like it. It tastes so delicious. So guys, this is the finished result. This is me, my coconut milk. This is the coconut I normally use. Actually, that's the coconut I use. That coconut water is very, very delicious, very, very sweet, and I really like it. So this is the rest that remained, and I'm just gonna use this one to make some cake. I'm gonna use this one to make cake. You can use this one to make different things, but I'm gonna add it on my cake recipe, because I just love when I'm making cake. I just love the coconut's taste in the cake. So yeah guys, this is my finished result. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. Peace out. Bye.